guys, happy Monday. We are starting a brand new unit in math, and so we're going past time and we still need to practice on that, but we're going on to measurement. So we use many different things to measure, but in second grade we are going to mainly use a ruler to measure. But if you're at home and you don't have a ruler like Miss Johnson, you can find other things that measure just as well. So if you have a tape measure, maybe it's out in the garage or in a toolbox somewhere. So a tape measure works just like a ruler, and it has inches and it has feet on here. So I'm going to show you a little bit more about that. I have a tape measure that has an inches side and a centimeter side. So this one is really kind of hard to see. It's smaller, but you can kind of measure around things with this. It's more flexible. You can use a ruler. You can use any kind of tape measure. If you don't have a ruler though, I want you to use a small item to use as a ruler, and you can just count it as that item. So for instance, everyone has not everyone, but you could have, this is for an iPhone charger, and so you could use this for your measurement. Don't count these, and so if I wanted to measure my phone, I would put it right here, and then put my finger, so 1, 2, 3, about 4. If you don't have anything to measure with, just pick a small item and you can measure that way. Also, if you bend your finger like this, so take your pointer finger and bend it like this part of your finger is about an inch. So you could press that on the item to measure to get your inches. So get your item first and then you're going to start. So we're just going to practice measuring, and what I want you to think about is always starting at the very end. So if you're using a tape measure, you're going to start with your item, if I'm measuring my phone, at the very end, and then where it ends, you're going to go to the nearest inch. So if it's closer to the 5, it would be 5 inches. If it's closer to the 6, it would be 6 inches. This one looks like, from where I'm sitting, right in the middle, so about 5.5. You could do 5.5, or once it's past the half, you move up. So it would be 6 inches or 5.5 inches if you want to do that. Same thing with a tape measure. So you're going to find the inches side right here. Get it where you can see. Sorry guys. I'm trying to get it where you can see it. So this one's a little bit different. So you're actually would start on the 0 and then go and measure it, okay? So you're not going to start where the actual green is. You would find the 0 and start actually at the 0 and see how many inches it is today. So you could just practice today and get comfortable with it, because tomorrow you're going to get to measure a few things around your house. Anyways, have a great day.